Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is January the 3rd, 2012, first market analysis of the year. Pretty cool. We've made a little change here. We're going to actually be doing 4 different individual markets, global markets, every single day, Monday through Thursday. However, on Friday, I will cover all 16 of the different markets that we do. So you'll have like a video preparing you for the week ahead. You'll know everything that I know looking at the charts. Okay, so we're going to have 4 today, 4 on Tuesday, 4 on Wednesday, 4 on Thursday, and then on Friday I'll just recap. I'll do everybody. Okay, so everybody will be up to snuff. All right, let's start off today looking at Australia's markets. And you guys will notice that I said we're going to be doing more than we typically do when you do that, because I've added 2 major markets. I've added Germany and France that I'll be covering as well, so you guys know. Okay. All right. Like I said, we're looking at Australia here. We have a reversal signal here. Nice move to the upside, hammer formation. It's a doji. It's found at tops and bottoms, so finding it here tells us that the markets are trying to reverse back to the upside. So yeah, I like that. It's been in a situation here where we had a reversal, positive reversal here, but it didn't pan out. It ended up going a couple points lower and now turning around again. That can happen a lot of times. We're still seeing this previous low of 40.47 being respected and a higher low here, so it is still trying to turn around. So that is still in play. And also we've come up off the oversold condition of the ultimate oscillator, so that's another positive there for bulls looking at Australia's markets. Okay. All right, now let's look here at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. We have had a breakout right here of the previous resistance line. We told you back during this time frame that we saw the reversal signal here, but I told you I would not take that, as I didn't believe it was actually going to pull back, and I thought we'd actually break to the upside. That's exactly what's happened. So this is actually a bullish signal. We expect this resistance line is going to now act as support, so you're going to see that she's going to actually move higher here. That's a bullish sign for bulls in the Dow Jones Industrial Average and U.S. markets overall. Okay, here we have one of the new markets, the French CAC 40 Index, and you'll notice we are in a strong uptrend here. Our arrows indicate every time we've had a shift in the trend from uptrend to downtrend, and anytime that we have one of those, we will alert you to it. In this current condition, we have moved up here above the 70 line on the ultimate oscillator here, but it doesn't have to reverse immediately, so we'll keep watching this. Right now she's still in a strong uptrend. You'll notice that you've got higher series of highs on the candlesticks and higher series of lows. This is in a strong uptrend, and watch this, stay with it. As long as this continues to be that way, you continue to be a bull here. We'll notify you whenever it starts to shift and we get a lower series of lows and a lower series of highs. Okay, whenever that happens, then we'll start seeing something different. But right now we're still seeing an uptrend, real strong one here. Okay. And finally for the day, we'll be looking at the German DAX composite, and this one is much like the French one we just looked at. You have a nice strong uptrend in play here, higher series of highs, higher series of lows. This is in a strong uptrend. You are running up now above the overbought condition of the ultimate oscillator. However, oversold and overbought conditions are signaled in a sideways moving market, which we are there. However, she can break out at any time, and therefore in those situations, overbought won't do you a darn bit of good. She'll be overbought, and she'll just keep on moving higher. That can happen. So let's keep an eye on this. Right now we're still in a strong uptrend. You can stay with it for as long as she remains that way, and we'll let you know whenever it changes. Another thing to note here is you have this previous high way back here. This is going to be acting as our resistance line. Let's see how we act when we get up toward this level. Okay, but I definitely expect a test of that level thus far. We'll look at this chart right now. Unless something changes, we're going to be testing this. Okay. We'll be analyzing 4 different global markets tomorrow, including gold and silver. And for those of you guys who want to check that out, be sure to check us out then. And I'll see you then. All right. Okay. All right. Goodbye. Okay. See ya. Bye. And then take care. All right. Adios. Sayonara. What am I saying? Just stop saying stuff and stop the freaking video. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.